The camera stopped working, so that's crappy, but it's pretty cool to play with. Try not to knock the phone off. Getting kind of all right. Got the little baby training wheels on. I already broke one of the blades. The wind blows it around a lot, but other than that, it's pretty cool. It's only 30 bucks too. Took 2 weeks, but man, it's already been 2 weeks of fun. I mean, I only flew it like 3 times, maybe. I think it was 1 big time. That's pretty cool. Got some tricks. Better flying backwards than forward, apparently. Wow, that was cool, man. I hope I got that on tape. Probably not, because it. The batteries don't last 13 minutes, but it's pretty cool. See, it's already like, hey, stop me, stop me. Little shenanigans on Juneteenth.